Good morning, friends. I hope you're having a great Thursday today. And I'm excited to talk to you about a topic in math today. Last week I reviewed reading, and today I'm going to talk to you about a lesson that is really important in math. So this year, we have spent a lot of time learning our math facts. We would usually focus for at least a month on one of the families, like adding the twos or adding your ones or adding the threes to numbers 1 through 10. So, did you know that all of those math facts actually have a fact family that they are in? So, I wanted to talk to you about fact families today. I have a little fact family set up right here to go over with you, but I want to give you some reminders first. So, in a fact family, do you remember how many numbers there are? There's always 3 numbers in a fact family, and there are 4 equations that you can set up with each family. Another word for equation, an equation is a math problem. So you can see I already have 4 set up for us. I have the first equation or math sentence here, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. So I'm going to show you today how each family member in this fact family is related and how you can use these 3 numbers to make 4 equations or math sentences. So I want to start with a fun reminder of what I do first. So you have 3 numbers. The most important thing is to put them in order from least to greatest. So luckily my numbers are already in order. 3 is my smallest number in the family. 5 is next. And 8 is the greatest number. Do you know what I call the greatest number in a fact family? The monster number. So I'm going to circle it in red to remind us. 8 is our monster number. Did you know a monster number has a special place in a fact family for all 4 equations? In the addition equations, your monster number always goes at the end. That's because you're adding the other 2 numbers, and when you add, you get the biggest number, which would go at the end. So what do you think we're going to put for our first math equation, our first addition equation here? What do you think we can use? We have a 3, a 5, and we've already plugged in our monster number 8. So you can really decide any order for the first one. Let's put a 3 here and a 5 there. So 3 and 5. You may not have counters at home, but I'm going to remind you, I always like to put the first number in my brain, 3, and hold up 5 fingers because that's your next number. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know our first math sentence is correct. The second math sentence, I like to use this reminder. Think about the flip-flop strategy that we talked about in class. You can flip-flop the numbers. Put a 5 first and a 3 next. See how I just flip-flopped the order there? And they'll still give you the same total, which is 8, our monster number. So subtraction is a little bit different. The monster number does not go at the end for subtraction. Where do you think it would go? It doesn't go in the end. When you subtract, you are taking away. Do you think we could take away, say we had 3 cookies and I wanted to take away 8. Would I have enough to take away 8? No. So you want to start with your biggest number when you're looking at subtraction. So we'll start with our monster number and we're going to take away 5. And then what's our number we have left? A 3. Now, you may want to think about how you could draw counters. If I was going to try, I want to check every equation here. So you may not have counters, but you can always draw some. So I'm going to show you that on the side to check this math sentence. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Start out with 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 5. So I'm just going to cross out 5 of those dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I always circle what I have left. Look how many I have left. 3. 1, 2, 3. This equation is correct. So I need to still use the same three numbers. I've already used 8 minus 5 equals 3. How can I use my numbers to make another subtraction sentence here? What do you think? 8 minus 5, we've already done. 8 minus 3 equals 5. So that's the second way you can subtract using these three numbers. So I'm excited to go over with you today the fact families. You can make a fact family out of any of your math facts, and I'm excited to share that with you. I hope this was just a reminder and that you remembered that and have been practicing. Let's take a look at your journal today. I have 3 problems for you to practice. I'm going to hold it up for you. And you can pause and write these into your journal. And I can't wait to see what you guys come up with and see how well you did your fact families today. I hope you're having a fabulous Thursday, and I can't wait to hear from you guys. Have a great day.